Meet Arun, Rita, and Peter. Arun just graduated out of college. Rita works as a software developer. Peter is a system administrator. Arun, Rita, and Peter want to learn IoT. But their problem? They know nothing about electronics or programming with C. Introducing the WiNoT Trainer, an integrated training kit which makes it easy to learn IoT. Everything fixed on the board. No need for any assembly or wiring. A well-designed tutorial will guide you step by step. The controller on the board is the ESP8266. Sensors and output devices are mounted directly onto the board. Our custom firmware makes it very easy to configure and write code to control the sensors. This board is a beginner's delight. The kit includes a tutorial, which contains reading material combined with videos and other e-learning content. You can start off with no knowledge of IoT, and in a short time, you will be able to develop simple IoT solutions. No wiring needed. No need to know anything about electronics. Program using a simple scripting language. A well-structured learning material. It's that simple. Jump in! Start your IoT experience with the WiNoT Trainer.
Hi, I'm Raghu and I'm the architect of the WiNoT Trainer Kit. With your support to this campaign, we can take up mass production and reach out to a wider market.
Hi, I'm Rakshan.
I am Manjunath.
I am Suhas.
I am Raghu.
We are Team WiNoT. Please support the campaign to make it successful.